In this video, you'll learn how to install a plugin on WordPress. By following these steps, you will successfully add new functionality to your WordPress site using the WooCommerce plugin. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com website. Once you are on the home page, look for the option labeled Sites. In the menu, click on Sites to access your list of WordPress sites. This step is essential as it directs you to the area where you can manage your plugins. After accessing the Sites section, locate and click on the Plugins option on the left-hand side menu. This action will take you to the Plugins Management screen, where you can view and install plugins for your WordPress site. Ensure that this screen displays the available plugins for installation. Next, in the search bar at the top of the plugins page, type in WooCommerce. This search will filter the plugins, allowing you to find WooCommerce easily. Wait a moment as the search results load, and you should see WooCommerce appear among the listed options. Once WooCommerce appears in the search results, click on the WooCommerce option to access its dedicated page. This page provides detailed information about the plugin, including its features and installation instructions. Make sure you are on this specific page before proceeding. After reaching the WooCommerce page, look for the button labeled Get Started and click on it. This action will initiate the installation process for the WooCommerce plugin. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the plugin, this may take a few moments. Wait for the confirmation that the installation is complete before moving on. Finally, verify that the plugin has been successfully installed. You can do this by checking if WooCommerce appears in your list of active plugins. If you encounter any issues, ensure that your internet connection is stable and that you have sufficient storage space on your WordPress account to accommodate the new plugin. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.